Okay. Can you see the screen now?
No, sir.
Can you see now?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
What about you, Ananya? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Try first question.
It is the following
Which of the
statement.
following statements is or true?
Between the concept region. Okay. In the rectangle diagrams intersect at it.
Sir, option.
And
I've got it, sir.
rectangles. Sir, even I got some.
You got it?
One
Yes, sir.
statement.
Yeah. What can be the answer for that question?
The B.
B. B.
B.
Okay. In a rectangle, diagonals intersect at right angles. That one.
Yes, sir.
Up.
Are you sure? No, I don't think so.
Sir,
I think.
sir,
No, no,
answer.
no.
Yeah, Anirudh, tell me.
Wait,
Sir,
none
may
of
I?
these.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, option A and
Option
option C.
option A. Diagonals bisect each other in a trapezium.
Yes. Yes, sir.
I think, sir, option D.
Answer is none of these because all the statements are false.
Hmm?
All the statements are false. Check it out. See, diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Okay, bisect each other at 90 degrees. It need not be equal. Okay, that is statement C. It is not necessary that the diagonals of a rhombus should be equal. The property of a rhombus says the diagonals of a rhombus only bisect each other at 90 degrees. Okay, that is
Okay,
C.
sir.
So C is false, and B is in a rectangle diagonals intersect at right angles. Not necessary. Again, in a rectangle diagonals just bisect each other. That's it. They don't bisect each other.
Okay.
They don't intersect at 90 degrees. It is not necessary that it should intersect at 90 degrees. This digital tab is not working at minute. Otherwise, I will actually draw and show to you. Okay, in a trapezium, the diagonals bisect each other. That is not possible. Can anyone tell me why?
Okay.
Okay, first of all, tell me what is a trapezium. Anirudh, tell me what is a trapezium.
So, I cannot exactly define it, but
Hmm. Okay, tell me whether it is a 2D figure or a 3D figure.
trapezium is a 2D figure.
2D figure. It's a quadrilateral. Correct? Is it a
Yes, sir.
quadrilateral or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, it will be having four sides. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What else you know about trapezium?
Um,
See, what trapezium is nothing but Ananya. Can you say or can I say? Yeah, can you tell me what is a trapezium?
Yes, sir. Trapezium is a quadrilateral which has one pair of one pair of
One.
one pair of parallel lines.
Yeah, trapezium is a quadrilateral which has one pair of parallel sides and the remaining pair is a non-parallel. They are non-parallel. Okay, correct,
Okay, sir.
Nirud?
yes,
Correct.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Try the next question. In a rhombus ABCD, if AB is equal to AC, then angle BCD is what? It's another very good question.
AB was is BCD.
72.
Uh,
Yeah, sir. I think option B says Ananya. Ananya, what happened? You're not able to listen to me, huh? Why you are chatting? Able to listen to you, but it's not clear. Okay, Ananya, no problem, no problem. Just try to fix the mic issue at your end. Okay. Option B, 120 degrees. 120 degrees is absolutely correct. Some kind of a disturbance is there. Okay, fine. 120 degrees is correct. Can you explain? Okay. Okay. 120 degrees is correct, Ananya. Can you explain me? 120 is correct. Can you hear me, first of all? You can hear me, right?
Hello?
Ananya, tell me, Ananya. 120 is correct, Ananya. Can you explain?
So what are you saying?
120 degrees is correct. Can you explain me how?
Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me or not?
Sir, yes.
Then what? I just asked you 120 degrees is correct. I just asked you to explain.
Sir, it AC.
You guessed it. Correct.
Sir, I just um done it like this. Um,
Okay. This is a rhombus. AB is equal to AC is given. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Correct. But AB is also equal to BC because all these four sides in a rhombus are equal. Correct. That is a property.
Okay.
yes,
Correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
so
this
this will
uh,
this will be 60,
60 degree.
60,
60 degree.
Sir,
60.
then 60 plus 60 will be 120.
Correct. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Everything will be 60 degrees. So yeah, the angle BCD will be 60 plus 60, which is 120.
120.
Okay. And now I'll explain the previous question very quickly. Okay. Just listen. That is more than enough. Trapezium. This is a trapezium. Okay. If you draw the diagonals like this, it
These
cannot.
are not the type.
Okay. The diagonals bisect each other. They don't bisect each other. Even if you draw any kind of a trapezium like this is also a trapezium. Correct.
Yes.
Yes.
They don't bisect. Even if you draw properly also, you check it out, it is not one of the property of trapezium. So this will be false. In a rectangle, diagonals intersect at right angles. Not necessary. Not necessary. This can be more than 90 degrees, right?
Yes, sir.
Of course those two are equal. Why? Can you tell me?
Vertical opposite angles.
Vertically opposite angles. Okay.
Opposite angles.
Not necessary that it should be intersect at right angles, but in case of
90
in
degrees.
case of a square, it is correct.
Yes.
Instead of rectangle, if it is a square, then this statement is correct. Now it is false. And diagonals of a rhombus are equal. No, they are not equal. I'll tell you. They just bisect. They just bisect each other at 90 degrees. That's it. Do you know the proof for this? They bisect at 90 degrees. Can you know the? Do you know the proof for this?
No.
Try to find out the proof. Do you know the concept of congruence of triangles? Congruency.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Congruency of triangles. It is based upon that only.
Yes,
Based
sir.
Based upon
I
that
think
only.
we can prove this by making a kite. Kite like
No,
rhombus in the shape of a.
no, rhombus is different, kite is different. You are misinterpreting. Okay,
Okay.
kite, kite. This is kite. Okay,
Okay.
this is a kite. Kite will
Okay.
have two adjacent sides only equal. Okay,
Okay.
not the four sides will be equal. Okay, they bisect. They, and it's not necessary that they should bisect at. They should bisect each other, but the diagonals intersect
Okay.
at 90 degrees. That is correct.
Okay.
But it's not necessary that it should bisect.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Right. The next question. Perimeter of a parallelogram is 180 centimeter. One side exceeds the another by 10 centimeter. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram are what? It's a pretty straightforward question. Don't take much time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It is parallelogram. One side x x plus 4 perimeter of a parallelogram. Plus 3x 4x plus 20. Sir, got it.
Yeah. What's the answer?
40 centimeter and 50 centimeter.
40 and 50. 40 and 50 is correct. Can you explain?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the perimeter will be uh, sum of all the angles, that is x
All the
plus x plus 10
one
plus
minute.
x
1 minute.
plus x plus 10.
1 minute. All the angles are all the sides.
All the sides.
All the sides, right?
Yes.
Sum of all the sides only will be a perimeter, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead. It's correct. Now go ahead.
That will be x plus 10 plus x plus 10
Okay.
is equal to 180.
Hmm.
That is 4x plus 20 is equal to 180. 4x is equal to 160 and x is equal to 40. So the other one exceeds, the other side exceeds by 10. So 40 plus 10 is 50.
Okay, that is correct. Everything is correct, Anya. But I'll ask you one simple question. One side is taken as x, and another side you are taken as x plus 10. Okay. Why you are taken
Yes.
the third and fourth side as x and x plus 10? Once again, can you explain me that?
So because in a parallelogram, the
Opposite sides are equal.
no, opposite angles are equal.
So as sides.
Sides.
Hmm. You're confusing. You're getting confused with angle and a side. See, AB. This is a side. Okay, and AB and BC. If they intersect, they form an angle. Okay.
Yes.
So this and this are equal in a parallelogram. This and this are equal. So if you take this as x, this will be x plus 10. This will be x and this will be x plus 10. That's it. Rest of the explanation which you gave is perfectly correct. You need to know only one concept here. If you're assuming one as x, other one as x plus 10, then this opposite side will be also x and this opposite side will be x plus 10. Because
X
opposite
plus
sides in a parallelogram is equal.
equal.
We need to use the property of parallelogram to solve this. That's it. Basic property of a parallelogram. That's it. Okay. Okay. RSTU is a parallelogram as shown in the figure below, and the shown angles x and y are related. How? How they are related?
not able to find. Sir, I think that will be cannot be determined from the given data.
Cannot be determined from the given data. That is correct. But you need to give me a good reason why you choose that option. That is correct. Cannot be determined from the given data.
So because x is equal to y, this cannot happen. Uh, because in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal.
Okay, fine.
So one needs to draw the other angles also to
Okay.
make x that the angle is equal to y.
Okay.
X is smaller than y. This can we cannot judge this that x is smaller than y because we are not given any values. We don't know anything.
Okay.
It can be greater also. It can be smaller also.
It can be equal
We
also.
don't know.
Indeed.
Yes.
It can be equal
So
also. It can be equal also, Ananya. It can be
But the
equal.
value is not given.
Yeah, by the way, okay. It's not about value. It's all about relating the properties of a parallelogram here. Nothing else. Okay.
Okay.
What if the diagonal is an angle bisector? In that case, x can be equal to y, right?
Yeah,
Possible is there, right?
possibly.
yes,
We can actually come to a conclusion.
but
Okay, the diagonal. But
we
one
don't
more
know.
thing, yeah. But one thing we know that this triangle RSU is congruent to triangle UTS. Agree? R
Yes, sir. Congruent.
RSU is
SU is
congruent to
congruent.
UTS because
Yes,
RS and UT are equal. These two are
Yes,
equal.
sir.
yes,
Common side by
Congruent.
SSS congruency. These two triangles are equal.
Yes, sir.
These two triangles are
Yes, sir.
congruent.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
but we can come to a conclusion whether whether angle is equal to angle y on that note. Correct.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Correct.
yes, sir.
Because they are not corresponding angles.
Yes,
They are adjacent angles. Correct.
yes, sir.
Okay. That's it. That's the case. Try this question. ABCD is a parallelogram. The angle bisector of A and B meet at O. The measure of AOD is what?
Please wait. Parallelogram the angle bisector.
So the
Yeah.
ये कैसे थे इसके लिए?
ABC is a parallelogram. The
Sir,
angle bisector
I have got the answer.
of 90
I got the answer.
Okay. Mm,
that O. Yes, sir.
so this is a parallelogram with ABCD with AO1,
Okay.
AO and DO as angle bisectors which intersect at the point O. Correct. Now you need to find the angle AOD. This one. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. What can be that
Sir,
angle?
option C, I guess, sir.
Depend on the angles A and D. Huh? Mm,
Yes, sir.
what you say, Ananya?
Yes, sir. I'm also with you.
You also say the same thing. Okay. I think Shamant is there. Shamant, what is your answer, Shamant? Shamant, are you there? Shamant?
Sir,
Shamant?
sir, I think it should be cannot be determined from given data.
Use that Ananya. Is it Ananya?
Yes, sir. Ananya here.
Okay. The answer is 90 degrees.
90
How?
degrees.
How? No, you need to think, answer me that. I don't mind. I will say not a problem. But just think. Answer is 90 degrees. Answer is 90 degrees. Just think an answer.
Mhm. Wait. Okay.
Okay, fine. I'll explain. Not a problem.
Sir, I've got.
I can't talk with you, sir. Okay, Shaman, no problem. You can chat with me. As long as you hear me, it is fine. Not a problem. Yeah, anyone? Okay, I'll explain.
Sir, I know the explanation.
That's what I've been asking you for the past 2 minutes, and you're saying now. Tell me, tell me. Tell me.
Sir, I just put the values 90 degree, uh, 90 degree, 90 degree, and 90 degree, 90 degree. Angle A, angle B, angle C is equal to angle D. That is 90 degree. And the subtracting is 360 degree, and if
Just, just a minute.
this angle A, which is divided into
Hmm.
two angles,
Okay.
so 45 is equal to 45,
Okay.
and angle D would be again 45 into 45.
Anya.
Now, if we apply the angle sum property of the triangle, that would be 45 plus 45 plus x is equal to 180.
Okay.
Then x would be 90 degrees.
All the logic is perfectly correct, but you didn't understand one thing. I never said the angle A, B, C, D are 90 degrees. I just said A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. That's it. It's not necessary that it should be a rectangle, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then your assumption is correct. It's not correct, right?
Okay.
Got it.
Yes.
That proof is valid only if that quadrilateral is a rectangle. But here is a given this quadrilateral is actually a parallelogram, and every rectangle is a parallelogram. I accept, but every parallelogram is not a rectangle, correct?
Oh, yes, sir.
So then you can't assume angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D equal to 90 degrees, correct? See,
Yes, sir.
the proof goes like this. Check it out. Let angle A be equal to x and angle D be equal to 180
One.
minus x. Right? Do you know why?
Yes.
Yes.
Because the adjacent angles in a parallelogram is 180 degrees. The sum of
Yes.
adjacent angles
Adjacent house.
adjacent angles in a parallelogram is are supplementary, or you can call it 180
Yes.
degrees. Now it's very simple. So angle bisector. So A by 2 will be here x by 2. D by 2 will be 180 minus x by 2 is can be written as 90 minus x by 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So let it be angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Okay, this is angle 1, correct? Angle 1 is x by 2
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
and angle 3 is 90 minus x by 2. So 1 plus
90.
2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degrees, correct? So x by 2 plus angle 2 plus 90 minus x by 2 is equal to 180 degrees. So angle 2 will be what? 90 degrees,
90 degrees.
correct?
Yes.
This and this gets cut,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
correct? So
Yes,
angle
sir.
2
Yes,
plus
sir.
90 is 180 and angle 2 equal to 90. So The key point here is this one, and this one. You need to know the property of a parallelogram correctly. Then only you can solve this problem. Correct?
Mm,
Adjacent angles in a parallelogram sum is equal to 180 degrees. That is one of the main properties of a parallelogram that need to be applied here. Then only you can solve the problem. Try the next problem. The parallelogram
yes, I
ABCD,
will.
AB is equal to 2x plus 5, CD is y plus 1, AD is y plus 5, and
Mm,
BC is 3x minus 4. Then ratio of AB to BC is what?
mm, 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 I plus one, eighty, where eighty equals 80 equals y plus 1. So 80 equals y plus 1 and 1 um, um,
Yeah, tell me.
so y plus y plus 1 plus y plus mm, so can be
Guys, it's pretty simple, right? Just apply the property, you'll get the answer. A, B, C, D. AB is equal to CD, and this one is equal to this one. Correct? So 2x plus 5 is equal to y plus 1. 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. Correct? People,
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you, are you there? This is equation 1.
Okay.
Y plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 4. Or 3x minus y is equal to 5 plus 4, which is 9. So 3x minus y is equal to 9. This is equation 2. Solving 1 and 2 will get the answer. That's it. Solving 1 and 2 will get the value of x and y only.
okay.
Okay.
So we have two variables here.
There are two variables. You need to solve for x and y. Linear equation and two variable. It's been thought or not?
No, I have done one variable.
One variable, not two variable.
No.
Only one variable you have done.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. I'll teach you what is it. Okay, meanwhile, what is the next question answer? If a quadrilateral has two adjacent sides equal and the other two sides equal, it is called a,
If that's
Two adjacent sides equal.
just some time back only I told.
Sir, I think got it.
What is the answer?
sir, I think I got it.
What is the answer?
Option B kite.
It's a kite,
It's a
right?
kite.
It's a kite. Yeah, for this
Yes.
only I told. Correct? These two.
Yes, sir.
And diagonals intersect at 90 degrees, but it is not necessary that it should be intersecting at, it's not necessary that it should bisect.
Yes.
It will intersect at 90 degrees, okay, but it's not necessary that it should bisect. Okay, coming back to
Yes,
this
sir.
question. Okay, 2x minus y is equal to minus 4, 3x minus y is equal to 9. Okay,
9.
now change the second equation. Okay, check second equation. If you multiply second equation, if you multiply each term by minus 1, what you will get? It will be minus plus minus. Correct?
Okay.
So it can be also written as 3x plus y is equal to minus 9. Correct?
Okay.
No. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
X minus y is
Correct.
equal to minus
Now if you add them, what you will get? This
Yes.
these two will
minus
get cut. No,
My
these two will get
minus
minus
cancelled.
x
Minus x
minus
is equal to minus 13.
sir.
So x is
x
equal to
13.
Yes, sir.
13. You got the value of
Equals
x.
to 13.
Yeah, you got the value of
13.
x. Now x
X.
Yes.
x you need to substitute in the in any one of the equations. I'll take this equation. Okay, got it?
Right. 4 minus
Okay.
4. 13.
So 26 minus
26 minus
so 26 plus 4, correct, is equal to y. So y is equal to
y.
30. Okay,
30.
we need AB is to BC, right? What is AB?
Yes.
2x plus 5.
AB is 2x plus 5.
So 2 into 13, 26 plus 5, 31. So AB will be
31.
31 and
31.
31. So what will be the answer? C only will be the answer, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
You don't need to calculate BC and waste your time.
Okay.
Correct. If you want, you can
Yes, sir.
calculate.
Okay.
BC is nothing but 3x minus 4. 3 into
26. 12.
3 into 13
30.
is 39. 39 minus 4 will be 35. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
so AB is to BC is nothing but 31 is to
31 is
35.
to 35.
35. Got it, Ananya?
Yes, sir. In linear equations in one variable, we have to just change the signs of the second equation.
It's not one variable, it's two variables.
Two variables.
Hmm.
You have to just change the signs.
Hmm. Yeah, you just need to change the signs. That's it.
Okay.
You need to multiply the second equation by minus one on both sides, because that is not going to change
Okay.
anything. Correct.
Okay.
You are
Yes, sir.
multiplying by minus one on both the sides, just just to just to eliminate the second variable. Correct.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it. Okay. This will be
Yes, sir.
studying. This will be studying in ninth, I guess. I think so. Linear equation and 2A. That is still fun.
Yes, sir.
Which of the following statements is incorrect? Quickly, because I need to start another thing also.
Is incorrect. Every rectangle is a parallelogram.
Okay, we'll actually have it for 1.5 hours. Okay, today, because we need to cover three topics now.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
So, so even I got it.
You got it?
then it
Yeah.
should be which of the following statements is correct.
Not necessary. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Why it is necessary that it should be correct or
Sir,
incorrect? You tell me which of
Sir,
the
I
statements.
guess I got it.
then it would be
Uh,
uh,
So, option D is wrong.
Option D is wrong. It's quite obvious. Every trapezium is a
Okay.
parallelogram. Not
the
definitely not.
rhombus. Rhombus. Every rhombus is a parallelogram. Option C.
No, that is correct. Every rhombus is a parallelogram.
It's a parallelogram, yes, sir. So, all are correct except option D.
Trapezium cannot be a parallelogram. Trapezium has one side
Yes,
of
sir.
one pair of opposite of one pair of parallel sides. Parallelogram has two.
Yes, sir.
So
Two parallel
a
sides.
trapezium cannot be equal to a parallelogram. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is correct. Every parallelogram is a quadrilateral, absolutely right.
Correct.
Every rectangle is a parallelogram, absolutely right.
Oh, that's,
Yes.
Every rhombus is
that's
also a
correct.
parallelogram.
Correct.
Okay, this is easy. Okay, this also, tell me quickly. Diagonals of a rectangle?
Bisect each other at right angles.
No, I told you
No,
right. Equal and bisect,
bisect each
equal
other.
and bisect, equal and
Equal
bisect
and
each other.
bisect each other at right angles.
No,
Option 3.
no, they are equal and they bisect each other. That's it.
Okay.
No.
Diagonals of a square is
Diagonals of a square only will
option 4.
option 4.
Yeah.
Bisect at right angle. Just sometime back only I told no that property.
Yeah.
I draw the diagram of rectangle also and showed right.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, diagonals of a rhombus.
R is 1. R is 1.
R would be 1.
S
And
is
X
S.
is
the
2.
S is remaining thing. See, that's it. These are the things I had
Yes,
been
sir.
discussing with you. Very earlier questions. Correct. Very
Yes,
important.
sir.
Diagonal property and side property. They are very important.
Yes, sir.
Based upon this only questions will be asked. And
Okay.
nothing will be a direct question. Everything will be an application only. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, fine. Try this question. Quick. Angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3 is to 5
3
is
to
to 7 is to
5.
9.
Okay. Give the measure of angle 3 to 7.
Can you solve it for me? It's easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's easy only. Can solve it.
Thank you.
Sir, I got the answer.
What's the answer?
15 degrees.
Measure of x is 15 degrees. Ananya, measure of x is 15 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you explain?
Yes, sir. I just added all these terms. 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 9x is equal to 360 degrees.
If you solve for x, you'll get it. See,
That will be 24x is equal to 360 degrees. X is equal to 15.
next one,
Oh,
measure of all the angles.
yeah.
Measure of all the angles are what?
The measure of all the angles are
360.
yes.
Anirudh, check out the options and tell me
Yes,
now.
sir.
Measure of all
Okay.
angles. See, x is 15 degrees. Okay. So what can be the
Okay.
angles? Angles will be angles are what? 3x, 5x, 7x, 9x. You need to substitute the
Sir,
value of x, right?
Okay, okay.
what is it?
Hmm.
Sir, I have got.
What you have got?
Sir, it's answer number D.
Hmm. 45, 75, 105, and 135. Okay, that is
Correct.
correct.
Yes.
You need to substitute the value of x equal to 15 in the angles 3x, 5x, 7x, and 9x. They'll get the answer. So, next question. Sum of least and greatest angle is what? Least is 45, greatest is
That is,
137.
sir, I got the answer.
It is 180.
It has to be 180.
Option
180.
B.
It has to be 180. Or there is another
Yes,
approach
sir.
also for this. Okay. This is the least angle. This is the greatest angle. Sum will be 12x. 12 into 15 is 180. That's
180.
that is the easiest way you can do it. What will be the difference of that? Difference of the least and the greatest angle.
That will
Then,
be 6x. 6 into 15, 90 degrees.
90 degrees,
yes,
correct?
yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Mm. If the measure of an exterior angle is 45 degrees, the number of sides in a regular polygon is what?
Measure of an exterior angle is
Yeah.
45 degrees.
See, I'll tell you the measure of an exterior angle. See, measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of n sides will be 360 by n degrees. Correct. That is the formula. Okay. Now tell me, if a measure of exterior angle is 45, then the number of sides in a regular polygon will be what? Exterior angle is given. You need to find the value of n.
5. Okay, okay.
Shaman D. Shaman says D is the answer. Perfect, Shaman. You are absolutely right. D is the answer.
Okay.
D is the answer. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, if n is equal to 10,
Okay.
if n is equal to 10, what will be the exterior angle?
Yes, 110. That
Sir, that will
36.
be 36 degrees.
36 degrees. Perfect, Shaman. Absolutely right, Shaman. Beautiful. Okay. We'll go with the next thing. Now we are going to solid shapes. Okay. Which of the following is the front view of the cone? A cone is placed in front of you, and which will be the front view?
One.
Sir,
Option D.
Option D, none of these. Front view will be what? Front view will be a triangle, right?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
When a close
A
is,
triangle.
when a cone is placed in front of you, and if you see it from the front, if you see it from the front,
That would be triangle.
that will be a triangle, right? These are all
Yes,
the
sir.
these are all the top views, correct?
Yes, sir.
Not all are top view. Only second is the top view.
No, sir. Some.
That is
It will be like this. Top view will be like this,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Some
lower
view.
view.
And front view will be like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But actually, the actual figure will be this, correct?
Yes.
Which is given here already.
Yes.
So none of these will be the answer. Okay. Try the next question. Do you know the Euler's formula?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Sir,
Sorry,
it is F plus V is
Shaman.
F plus
1 minute. 1
V.
minute.
Sir,
1 minute. 1 minute. Shaman, you did not understand, ma? Yeah. Okay. Shaman, a cone is there, Shaman. You know what is a cone? You chat with me, okay? Since your audio is in problem, you chat with me. Okay, you know a cone. Yeah. Okay, fine. So if a cone is placed in front of you, okay, and if you see the cone in the front view, what you will get? You will get a triangle. If you see the cone from the front, cone looks like this only, no? Shaman,
yes, sir.
correct? If you look the cone from the top view, it will look like this. This point is nothing but this point, correct?
Okay.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Okay. So you understood, right? So front view will be not this one, not this one, not this one. So the answer is none of these,
None of these.
because the front view will be triangle. Okay, Shamant, which is not given here in the options. So none of these is the answer. Okay. Now try the next question. Yeah. Now continue.
Sir, I guess none of these. Top one is mistake, I guess.
Which one?
Yes, sir. Mm,
Yes, sir, it's
so
F
because
plus V minus E. It
Euler's
is
formula is F plus
F
V
plus V
minus E is
minus
equal to.
E is equal to 2.
F plus B is equal to
No, F plus V minus E is equal to 2.
minus E is equal to 2.
Sir, got it. That
So
Then
would be
option
A.
A.
option A will be the
Option A.
answer.
Option
Uh,
A. Okay, yeah.
this is a
Option
problem.
A.
This is the problem. See, you people will never manipulate the things.
E plus V.
This and this are one and the same. Option A is the
Yes.
answer.
Option A.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Hmm. Tell me.
It's rectangle.
Top view of a cuboid.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Option B.
Rectangle.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is correct. Rectangle is correct. Rectangle is absolutely correct. Which which have maximum number of vertices. 1 minute. 1 minute. This question is different. This question is different. Okay.
Okay.
Which
Yes,
which
sir.
which which have
It's
maximum number of
answer
vertices?
B.
Option
Answer
B.
B.
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Why?
Cuboid. So because cylinder doesn't have a vertex, cuboid has only one and sphere doesn't have.
Okay.
Cuboid
Cuboid.
has the most. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 8.
8 vertices. Correct. That's a,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Next question. The top view of a glass for
Top
achieving
of
figure
a
is what?
glass under actually
Sir, option B.
D. Top view.
B. B.
B is not correct.
Sir, sir, option D is not available.
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Option D is none of these.
Okay, then none of these is answer.
None of these is the answer. None of these
Yes,
is
sir.
correct. None of these is correct. Actually, what will be the top view? Top view will be like a ring, like this only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes,
Shamant.
sir.
A is not correct, Shamant. Okay. Try next question. Which
Which
of
of
the
the
following is a possible number of faces, edges, and vertices respectively of a polygon?
of a polygon?
Faces, edges, and vertices.
Of a polygon.
Okay.
You need to apply the Euler's rule here. Application of a Euler's rule.
Sir, it's none of these.
It's not none of these.
Yes,
Right, right.
no.
Check it out. So you need to see f is equal to, in first case, f is equal to 5, e is equal to 9, and v is equal to 7. You need to check it out.
7.
That's not answer.
Okay.
Okay.
A plus v is equal to e plus 2. You need to check it whether
So I guess it's option B.
Okay.
Option B.
option B will be correct.
Option B. Yes, sir. 8 plus 2 minus 18.
Hmm. That will give you,
8
Yes.
plus, yes,
yeah,
sir. B2.
this is correct. Application of Euler's rule. Okay. Which is f plus v is equal to e plus 2, where f is face, uh,
With
number of faces in a polygon, v vertices, e edges.
edges.
Okay.
Okay. Comprehension zeros from the floor. Has to come. And then goes to then to
Sir, it's option D.
Simple problem, right? That's it.
yes,
F is
sir.
equal to 14
It's
minus
option D.
8.
Yes, sir.
8,
Option D.
8. Yes, sir. I have not seen. Okay. Okay, Shaman. No problem. No problem. Try the next problem. We are going little bit into
Is the
mensuration.
capacity of a cylinder? So the capacity of a cylinder for the science math heating processes. Okay.
Pi r square.
Okay, it's by square h equals to 8 plus and okay. And the diameter base is 14 centimeters.
9848. Okay, got it.
Diameter is computed.
41 into 44.
Upon 7.
Sir, I have got
Yes,
it.
it is 1 so is that not
Now what's the answer?
Sir, I have got it. Just a minute. 12,
yes, sir.
12 and 16, 44. Okay, 44 into 8, 32 100, 260. Hmm.
Formula is wrong. Okay.
What you guys are doing? Volume of a cylinder.
Sir,
Volume of a cylinder is what? Pi r square h, right?
Yes, sir.
Diameter of the base is 14. So radius will be what? 14 by 2?
7.
7
7.
7.
meters. Because d is equal to 2r or r equal to d by 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Volume is given 1848.
Yes,
Pi take it as 22 by 7.
yes, sir.
That's
It
it.
is 7. 7.
So h will be 1848 into
7.
7 by 22 into
Yes, sir.
7 into 7. That's it.
27, sir.
What is so difficult in this?
So, um,
Sir, I had done one mistake.
What mistake?
Calculation itself. I
Calculation.
had done radius square is 7, that is 14, not 49.
Okay. 7 square should be 49, Ananya, not 14.
Yes, sir.
oh,
That is why I was not
No, no,
getting the
no,
answer.
no, no, no. You don't have
7
to.
into 7
You
by
don't have to. You don't have to calculate all those things. You really don't have to calculate all those things. Seriously, I'm saying. You just need to apply the formula and get the value of height.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
See, these two get cancelled. Okay.
Answer.
1848 and 22. They are divisible by 11.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
1848 is
Yes,
divisible
sir.
by 1848 is divisible by 11. How?
So because 1848, the divisibility rule of 11 is sum of the odd number,
On
the numbers at the odd places and the even places, that is 1 plus 4 and 8 plus 8. The
Okay.
difference will be 11.
Difference will be what?
That is 16 minus 5, that is 11.
So
So
it is
this will be
divisible
11,
by.
so it will be divisible by 11.
Hmm. Okay. In that case, what will be the answer?
22,
This will be 2.
22, 11, 1 is 11, 11, 6 is 66,
Okay.
11, 8 is 88.
Okay. 168 by 7 is what? Oh,
That
okay.
will be
No need that. 2
6 is
can
16.
2 gives you 84. Correct. So this
yes, sir.
84 by 7 will
7
be
is
12.
12.
So 12 is the answer. B. Shamant, you are absolutely right, Shamant. B is the answer. Okay. Today Shamant is answering all questions correctly. Good. Good, Shamant. Good. Difference between length and width of a rectangle is 23 meters. If its perimeter is 206, what is the area?
The length and the rectangle is the